In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy method that is working worldwide in which you can earn $100 every 2 minutes. This is beginner friendly, so there is no excuses, but you need to follow everything step by step to make sure that you're not gonna miss anything. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a super simple way in which you guys can make $100 every 2 minutes. This is worldwide, so it doesn't matter really where you are, but you need to commit with yourself in order to make this work. Okay, watch the entire video because I'm going to show you step by step everything that you need to get done for you, to earn money online. Okay, at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to reveal with you a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can actually make more money online, but that's going to be at the end of the video, okay? First, let me show you everything with this strategy. Okay, first of all, the very first website that we're going to be using, it's called Userlytics. Okay, you can go to userlytics.com and you're going to land on this page. Okay, Userlytics is a website in which you're going to have the opportunity to be a tester. Okay, it's free for you guys to join. You don't need, to pay anything. And this is going to be working if you have a computer. It can be a laptop, it can be a desktop, or if you have a cell phone, okay? It's you have an Android device or you have an iOS like an iPhone, okay? You can use this. So again, there is no restriction, okay? You have a computer, you have internet, you're good to go. You have a cell phone, you have internet, you're good to go, okay? They have partners with several companies. As you can see here, they already offer this service, because they want you to give your honest opinion, your feedback about apps, about websites, to Coca-Cola, to Glassdoor, to Verizon, to BBA, to Google, to different companies. For them, this is so valuable, okay? I can imagine that sometimes it can be even priceless. Why? Because if they are, developing a new app, it can be a game, it can be something to engage the user experience, and someone give them feedback like, okay, we really like it, we really don't like it, this is what we don't like it, and we think it can be improved, okay? You don't need to explain them how it's going to be improved, but you need just to give your honest opinion of how that makes you feel. Oh, maybe this is broken. I found a bug when I thought this might be clickable, but it's not. Okay. So again, you don't need to pay anything, but they are willing to pay you a lot of money. If you want to be a tester, okay, click here where it says tester sign up. Okay, and you're gonna be landing on this page. Okay, you're gonna be a tester and you're gonna get paid to test websites and apps, as I mentioned before. Okay, it's really easy to register. You just need to provide your email address. This is gonna be a valid email address. They're gonna be sending you some information to that email address. You need to be at least 16 years old. So this is a great opportunity if you're underage, and you need to agree to their terms and conditions. Okay, you are going to interact with websites, you're going to be interact with mobiles, and they're going to be asking you about your experience, okay, about your emotions, okay, if you like it, if you don't like it. Okay, you're gonna be just using it as usual and be honest. Okay, that's it. You don't need to do anything fancy, anything crazy. Just be honest about your opinion. Okay, you are gonna get paid through PayPal. Okay, How much money you can get paid? Well, it depends. They can pay you $5, $10, $15, $20, up to $90, okay, just by having fun. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my video. It's gonna be helping my channel. Also, please let me know if you already have experience being a tester. Is this is a a gig, a side hustle that you will be interested of doing? If you want me to create more videos about this side hustle, because I want to make sure that I'm gonna be creating videos that are gonna be helpful for you guys. Okay, remember with Userlytics, you don't need to pay anything to be a tester. Okay, you just need to register and you're gonna have the opportunity to test websites and to test apps. Okay, once you join, how does this work? Well, you're gonna get paid, okay, on a part-time basis to check the usability of an app or a website. Okay, you can test it from your home. It's gonna be on your own term whenever you want it. There is no commitment, okay, on this. If it is good, like if you want to do it a couple of hours per day, okay, you just need to give them feedbacks and suggestions. Okay, remember, they're gonna give you a series of tasks because they want to make sure, like, okay, check out this website, right? Click on this link. Watch this video. Okay, really easy instructions for you to follow. Why? Because they want to make sure like everything's flow, or they're gonna ask you like, okay, visit the website and let us know how do you feel about this. Okay, maybe you're like, okay, task number 1, click on this website. Task number 2, let us know, check on the colors. Okay, you're gonna be speaking out loud about your emotions. You're gonna be give them criticism if you want. You're gonna give them suggestions. You're gonna be answering to questions, and remember, you're gonna get paid up to $19. Okay, what countries can you test from? Well, a lot of user testing projects are in Europe, North America, but they are also recently, offering some projects in South Africa, Southeast Asia, Japan, China, and other countries. Okay, so this is a worldwide opportunity for you guys. So there is no excuses. Okay, what do you need? Well, super easy, super simple. Again, the only thing that you actually need is a desktop computer. Well, it can also be a laptop. The requirements, well, here you have, it can be a Mac with iOS 10.13 or higher, Windows 7 or higher, and standard browsers. So right now you have it, a microphone, okay, and you need to have, this, the recorder that is gonna be downloading on your computer. If you don't have a computer, you can use your cell phone. Again, it can be an Android and an iOS. If you go with an Android device, it can have the 5.0 version, iOS at least the 11 version, and you can download the app. Okay, if you decide to go ahead and download the app, you're gonna notice that there is a lot of people who are really happy about this. They are really happy about their experience, and they are using this app to make money from home. Remember, there is no real commitment. Okay, you can do this whenever you want, whatever you want, if you want to earn extra money. And again, this is good if if you have at least 16 years old. And mentioning this because sometimes there are, underage people who are asking me like, okay, I don't have 18 years old. I don't have 21 years old. What can I do? I really want to do something, to make money online, right? Sometimes you are at home. You're like, okay, I cannot find a part-time job, right? I want just to earn an extra money. Okay, this is a great opportunity. But at the end of the day, guys, you are actually trading your time for money. Okay, if you're looking to do something different, if you want to discover how you can fire your boss, how you can enjoy life, how you can live life in your own terms, how you can make passive income, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendations to make money online. So okay, guys, if you're going to give yourself the opportunity to discover how you can have, a better future, how you can fire your boss, how to stop trading time for money, click on the very first link in the description. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Remember, that's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment if you have some questions. Okay, if you really like these kind of videos, if there's another thing, I'm always open to suggestion. Leave it in the comment area, and I see you on the next video.